Hi all, Superscale is one of the features in DaVinci Resolve. As the name suggests, it will allow you to scale your footage. Superscale can be applied from the clip attribute panel. On your clip attribute, there will be Superscale option and it mainly provides three options: 2x, 3x and 4x. 2x means it will double the resolution, 3x means it will triple and so on. And below this option there will be two other options, that is sharpness and noise reduction, which you can use on your clip. While testing out the super scale, I didn't find any difference from the regular scaling. But at the same time it is not that bad because there are some good things. First one is that we are scaling the footage from clip attribute section. So when we put this clip on the timeline, it will be scaled automatically. And second thing is that we can easily add noise reduction and sharpness with some simple mouse clicks. But there are some problems. First one being our resolve will hang if we use super scale, and the second thing is that time taken to complete the project render will increase. And the reason for both these issues is that we are applying noise reduction from the clip attribute panel and we are applying this noise reduction on our entire footage. And second thing is that there is no control over noise reduction and sharpness except for this low, medium and high option. So we can't really control how much noise reduction or how much sharpness is added to the clip. It is just simple press, but there is no manual control. So sometimes your footage look bad while adding the noise reduction and sharpness from here. So based on my experience, it is not that useful because whenever I try to use the super scale on a project, my resolve hang a lot. And second thing is that if I use the super scale on a project and completely edited this project, when I try to render this project, the time taken by this final render is a lot. And third thing is that while doing final render on this project, the chance of occurring other errors while rendering the clip is very high while using superscale. So for me, it is not that useful. That's it. That's all about this video. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.